So the point -8, +15 is a point in the second quadrant. So if you draw a reference angle for this, you're going to drop it down to the x-axis, and you can build your triangle then. We're going to need to find the hypotenuse, so you're going to use Pythagorean's theorem. You have -8 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. +64 plus 225 equals c squared. This is what, 289? And then take the square root. So remember, the hypotenuse is always going to be a positive, so we don't put in the plus or minus here for this. The square root of 289 being the number 17. And then from here, you can generate all of the trig functions. So if I want sine theta, well, here's theta, and it's opposite over hypotenuse. So this would be my opposite side, this would be my adjacent side to angle theta, and then the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. So opposite over hypotenuse, 15/17. And then the reciprocal of that is cosecant. And then you just flip the fraction. And then we have cosine theta. So that's adjacent over hypotenuse. Notice that's -8/17. And then the reciprocal is secant theta. And again, flip the fraction. And then tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Or you could take sine and divide it by cosine, flip the fraction, cancel the 17s out, get the same thing. Cotangent theta then, the reciprocal of that. And then as a double check, remember all trig functions are positive here. Only sine and its reciprocal should be positive in quadrant 2, and that's what we see here. All students, take calculus. So tangent's positive, cosine is positive down in quadrant 4. So we've got the signs, S-I-G-N-S, correct on those trig functions.